guys, welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you are new. I am so ready because I am packing up to head out to California on a trip, and I am in much need of vacation time. I am going to San Diego for a few days, and then I will be driving up to Anaheim to do a couple days at Disneyland and California Adventures. And so like right now my room is a disaster, and I am just like looking at the pile of clothes that I have laid out. I have so much to do. I'm just starting packing, so I figured I would grab the camera so I could pack with you and maybe outfit plan and all that fun stuff. So for the first part of the trip, I will be going to San Diego, and we're gonna have some beach days, and I love beach days. And I finally bought, hold on, let me get it. I finally bought myself a Kindle, and I'm so excited to just like bring this on the beach and read it. And I feel like a whole new me has unlocked, and like literally I just got this in the mail and I already started a book, and I'm obsessed with how it feels reading it, and it has like the no glare. I'm currently reading Wild Love by Elsie Silver, and so far I love it. I'm only on chapter 9, but it's so cute. Also all the fingerprints, oh my gosh. I cannot wait for later this week to be sitting on a beach reading my Kindle and just like soaking up the sun. Mentioned the first few days are beach days, and then on Thursday I was invited to the Her Universe fashion show as like a VIP, and so I will be attending that, and I'm so excited because I went last year and I had the best time, and I got to meet like Ashley Eckstein. I got to meet like some new friends and incredible creators, and I'm kind of hoping that I can have a very similar experience. I don't know what I'm wearing to that, so I am a little bit panicked. The theme, I don't know if it's like a theme, but they said like last year it was very clear that it was like a Nightmare Before Christmas theme, and this year it's just like the 10-year celebration, and it's like hosted by Mattel, and like there's gonna be a Polly Pocket themed after party, like I think Barbie, Polly Pocket, just like all the Mattel stuff. So I will be doing that. That's on Thursday, and that's like in the evening. I drive all the way to Anaheim that night. We're gonna do Disney on Friday and Saturday and Sunday morning, and I'm being hosted at a hotel, and I'm so excited, which of course I will show you guys that. It's the first time I'm being hosted, so like I have no idea what to expect, and like I don't know why, but I'm like low-key worried, like what if my room's not there, and they're like, what are you talking about? I'll be staying at the Hotel Lulu, and even though I'm being hosted, I will most definitely give you guys my honest thoughts, and I've only heard good things about them, so I am excited to stay there. And then I will be going with Fiza, my sister, and Jen, my friend. But yeah, let me show you what I have laid out for outfits. I don't know where or when these outfits are gonna be worn, and like I can't even like fully show you them because I don't want to try them on right now. But then you can just kind of get an idea of where I'm at. Okay, like I said, they're just kind of all laid out on my bed, so I do apologize. But I got this like knit bodycon dress that is like long, and it's really pretty, so I will probably wear this for a beach day one day. And then I have this cute Bon Voyage sweater, which I kind of want to pair with this like skirt from Old Navy. I feel like it gives very coastal vibes. It's kind of hard to tell, and it looks really boxy, but I promise it's really cute. This like linen button front dress, and it's like very like light breezy beachy material. And then I think this dress with a light cardigan is going to be my travel dress. And because we're just gonna like end up doing something right away, so I wanted to make sure like I was in something that was like still cute but comfortable. And then this is a dress from H&M, and I'm obsessed with it, and it's like a cream color with little yellow flowers, and I kind of want to wear it with my Tiana ears for like a Tiana bound. I think that would be cute. And then I have these cute embroidered shorts, which I was thinking of pairing with a bodysuit. It is just a mess here, so don't mind. And also like Portland Leather gifted me this cute bag, so that's coming with. And I have my Kendra Scott jewelry that's coming with. And I have this little wrap dress, which I think I'm gonna pair with a cardigan. So that's what we have going on. And I do have my jean shorts back there, which I'll probably bring as like a staple. Headphones are charging, so that's why that's there. And those are travel bags from Imbla, and they're from Amazon. They were gifted, but they're really nice, and they're like perfect travel companions. And then back there, way back there with my Jellycat, I think I'm gonna be wearing that one to the Her Universe fashion show because it kind of gave more Barbie, and I wore it on Hayden's birthday. I'll insert a picture here so you can see what it looks like. But yeah, I think this is what we have going on, and I'm hoping this is enough outfits. Good morning, it's flight day. We are off to San Diego in a few minutes basically. I look so tired. I am so tired, but I have so much to do. We're going to San Diego. Gotta take my hair down and finish getting ready. And everybody slept in minus me, and thank goodness, because for some reason Willow was meowing and she helped wake me up and I helped get everyone else up. It's just call that a win, and thank Willow. Yeah, like, oh my goodness, my face definitely has morning puffy. Way too early. I always take red eyes to San Diego, so it's literally 2 a.m. No, it's like, sorry, no, it's 3 a.m. I was up at 2:45. Jump scare. I'm excited once I just like actually wake up. Morning tippy taps. Before I leave, Willow's getting her morning tippy taps. Oh, stretches, pretty girl. Little does she know, she can't come with. Made it to California. Woo! I'm here with Jen, here with Fiza, and we are the San Diego Babes. That's the name of the group chat. That was my water bottle. We started our morning right, and we got Dunkin' for everybody. Just a fun fact: there's no Dunkin' in Washington, so
Seattle does not run on Dunkin'.
It does not. It says America runs on Dunkin', but they left out Washington. So, anyways, we are heading to downtown Disney right now. I'm gonna want to call it Disney Springs forever because of Florida, but we're heading to downtown Disney, and we're gonna have a brunch at the Grand Californian at my favorite Craftsman Bar and Grill. It's gonna be Fiza's first time. Also, it's gonna be Fiza's first time to Disneyland and California Adventure since she was like 5 or 6, and like she hasn't seen any of the new Pixar Pier, Avengers Campus, Guardians, any of that. Like Incredicoaster, she hasn't done any of it. Did you even go on the old roller coaster that they had?
Was she tall enough? Oh,
okay, she was. Okay.
4th grade, actually.
Okay, she was in 4th grade, sorry. She was just like, you know, when they're little, they're just an age. So yeah, but it's been a very long time. But we will, it's gonna be a lot of fun. But today is going to be downtown Disney, lots of shopping, hopefully. And we will be going to the beach after, and then I will show you guys my Airbnb. And it's gonna be a funny, goofy, silly little trip.
And if you'd like to send donations,
say it again. I'll drop my Zelle right here. No, I'm kidding.
It's at forestfantasyland.org/.
Oh, I'm an organization now.
Yeah.
Okay. Probably don't send money there because I don't know who's getting it. So I guess you're gonna see the vibe of this vlog will be mostly that. So yeah, off to downtown Disney we go, and let's go do some damage with shopping.
No control.
No control.
No control. No control.
Ooh, we should add that to our playlist. But the beach later tonight. Maybe San Diego sunset.
La Jolla
sunset. Okay. Mwah. We made it to downtown Disney, and I'm so excited. And literally, look at this. Hold on. There's Pixar Pier. It makes me so excited. And the Pixar Place Hotel. The first stop of our trip here is obviously Star Wars Trading Post. Not by their choice, but by mine. Oh, that one's so cute.
As a baby TV.
That's so cute. Okay, we're doing a little treat yourself moment. This is only 56. This is getting the Say Glowy Super Gel, and I'm getting this pack which has all this, and it's only 56 bucks, and I think I have redeemable points, so yay. Okay, it's time to go to lunch at the Grand Californian. You excited? Okay. We made it to the Grand Craftsman Bar, which is like one of my favorite restaurants. We got really nice seats. Don't want to jinx anything, but everything seems like very low capacity. There's not a lot of people. I know that we usually get this pizza, so let's find out together if they have it. Let's see.
Pretty penny.
Where is it? Oh, right here. We do the 4 mushrooms impossible sausage pizza, And yeah, we'll see what else we get. But I'm excited. Okay, we just got to our Airbnb and it's pretty cute in here. We have a really nice view of the mountain. I don't even know what mountain that is. But this is like one of the extra beds, the main bed. It's basically like a little studio in here. I feel like it's really cute, and for the price we paid, it wasn't too bad. The bathroom, it's just like a simple, but it feels very like coastal, cozy, like cute. I like it, and I think it'll serve its purpose. Today is a beach day and we are all ready, and I'm not gonna stall us any longer, but we're gonna go get coffee first, then we're gonna have brunch, and then we're gonna sit on La Jolla Beach and tan and sit in the
We'll do it one more time.
and then we're gonna sit and tan and maybe get in the water and just have a perfect sunny Cali beach day. We are at the shore, and this is why I love this spot for brunch. We came here last time, but it's so like beachy and amazing, and they have some good things too. Okay, so I got the huevos rancheros with no beans. Jen got the breakfast burrito with a little fruit salad, and Liza got a fruit parfait. Everything looks so good.